And now, back to Medyo Late Night Show with Jojo A all the way dito sa TV5. Many thanks to
Of course, our favorite photo booth of all, starting tonight.
Yeah.
Johnny Star 88. Thank you very much for making time tonight. Thank you. And of course, beautiful wife Clay, who's taking our pictures, so from the pictures here. Diba? Klaro eh, no? Tsaka bagong style ko, parang booth talaga na photo, no?
Ginawa po kasi na, meron po kaming isang booth pa, pero yung may box type. Pero ito kasi parang red carpet style naman.
Red carpet style?
Pero na walang carpet.
Okay, so iba-ibang klase pala yan. May red carpet style, tapos isang booth mo, yun yung parang mas ano ba? May difference?
Yun yung
presyo ba yun?
Yung ordinary booth lang. Siguro konti lang yung difference. Kasi mas yung ginagamit namin lens sa red carpet style, mas mahabang lens, mas mahal na lens para mas maklaro yung
mas klaro. Oo, mas crisp actually, friends, yung doon ako nakatingin kay Clay. Sa sobrang daming camera dito. Mas yung tinitignan ko yung mga pictures nung labas natin kanina, tulad nito, no? Oh, cute pa ng mga girls, di ba? Very crisp, friends, yung kanilang pictures na lumalabas. Tapos yung logo namin, lahat, everything yung dito. Sige.
Tsaka yung layout talagang sariling gawa namin, pati yung backdrop.
Okay, ito ba pwedeng pwede rin nilang i-upload or i-download?
Sa Facebook po, sa Johnny Star 88. Pwede nyo po i-grab. Tsaka at the same time, meron rin po kaming party needs. So, nagpo-provide rin kami ng clowns and balloons setup.
Okay. Marami kong makikita niyang clowns dito. Okay, so why don't you invite them to www.johnnystar88.com. Alvin?
Para i-check po yung mga prices for the packages, just visit johnnystar88.com or sa Facebook, i-type nyo sa search engine, Johnny Star 88 Photo Booth. Pwede nyo rin po i-search yung place photography para ma-check nyo rin po. Dahil yung wife ko, kumukuha na rin ng picture para sa mga prenup or babies, maternity.
All around all your photo needs, if you want your photos to come out more crisp, more bright, at mas maganda, especially the background, to your taste, to your liking, to your whatever would fit you, what would fit you, your theme and everything, you go to www.johnnystar88.com. Diba?
Yes.
Alvin? Okay, so picture na tayong dalawa dito.
Sige po.
Okay, with that, ladies and gentlemen.
Ay, sumama ni Clay.
Clay, halina, sumama ka na dito. With that, ladies and gentlemen, that's all the show we have tonight. And thanks for watching. Of course, thank you to dancepinoy.com. And thank you very much, Mr. Alvin Tan and Clay Tan for being our photo provider. Maraming salamat. JohnnyStar88.com. Here we go. Good night. And I'm Jojo A.
Nasama ka dyan. Ano may masasama dyan si Clay, di ko? Makikita namin. Yala!